Welcome to the Winterberry Wildlife Tech Series. Today we'll be taking another look at the image quality of the new Browning Elite HP5 Ultra Trail Camera. In our last video on this topic, we noted that Browning still had some firmware work to do to get the most out of the improved hardware of the HP5 Ultra. A third version of the firmware for this camera is out, and it has indeed made things better. Here are a few comparisons between the second and third generations of firmware. I've used roughly the same daylight scenes as in my earlier video covering earlier versions of the firmware. To my eye, at least, the latest firmware does a better job at preventing blowout, and the color seems more true. Comparisons to the iPhone for brightly lit scenes still show a gap, but for animals in more typical trail camera settings, the HP5 Ultra with the third generation firmware does a very good job. This is reassuring news for camera trappers used to the high video quality from Browning Recon Force and Spec Ops models. This firmware is available now from Browning. See the description for a link. If you want to learn more about camera trapping tech, check out the first book in our new series, Trail Cameras and Custom Camera Traps, Technology, Ethics, and Strategies for Success. Coming soon.